Hello everyone, welcome to Nada's kitchen with me Nada Heyman. Today I am going to make a most delicious Christmas cake. And if you're first to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the post notifications. Let's check out the recipe. First we need to caramelize the sugar. For that add half cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Let the sugar melt completely. When the color changes, turn the flame medium to low. And after a minute, add 2 tablespoons of water. This is the required consistency. Pour this in a bowl and keep it aside. To the same pan, add 1 cup of orange juice. You can use grape juice also. I'm going to add dry fruits, tutti fruttis, raisins, cherries, mix it well. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Instead of this, you can soak this in orange juice or grape juice for 2 to 3 days. In 3/4 cup of sugar, add 2 pieces of cinnamon, 3 pieces of cloves and 1 cardamom. Powder it and keep it aside. To a bowl, add 2 eggs which is in room temperature. Beat it well. Gradually add the sugar which we had powdered earlier. Give it a nice mix. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and the caramel syrup. Mix it well. A pinch of salt. Mix it. 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using vegetable oil here. You can also use melted butter instead of this, and that should be unsalted. Gradually add 1 cup of flour to it. I'm using maida. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. Fold it inward. Now add 1 teaspoon of grated orange peel. Mix it. Now it's time to add the dry fruits. You can add any type of dry fruits or nuts you have. Chop the cashews. Mix the batter nicely. Now pour the batter to the baking tin which I had greased with vegetable oil. Tape twice to remove the air bubbles. Need to preheat the kadai for 10 minutes. For that I had put some salt and ring in kadai. Flame should be medium to low. Let's place the batter to bake. Let it bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. We can check it by using a toothpick as it is cooked completely. And here comes the most delicious and fluffiest Christmas cake, and everyone should give it a try. We can make it easily at home without oven. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.